In this video, I'm going to show you how we can install Appleware iOS Executor for Roblox. Firstly, you're going to go to Safari and then you're going to go to this website here, applewareexecutor.org, and you're going to tap on this download button here. So just tap on download. So the Appleware has now been downloaded. I can find it on the downloads section here, downloads, and you can see Appleware has been downloaded. So tap on done. We're going to go to second website here, usescarlet.com. Scroll down on this website and we can find the install button here, and below this button it shows that it's been signed. If it doesn't mention here that it is signed, it will not work. In that case, you're gonna have to wait few more days in order to get it signed. Firstly, you're gonna check this website regularly here and then make sure that it's signed and tap on install. Now tap on direct install, wait for a few seconds, tap on open to install Scarlet, install. Now if you go back to home screen, as you can see here, it's downloading and trying to install here. It has been installed. If you tap on this app now, it shows that we have to trust this enterprise developer in the settings. Go to settings page. Inside the general settings option, scroll down. We're gonna find the VPN, DNS and device management tab here. Scroll down to the bottom. You're gonna find the enterprise app here, Sunshine Insurance Group tab here. And we're gonna trust this company here. Trust. It has been trusted. Now let's go back. And if you launch Scarlet now, and now we're gonna go to second tab here, that is this one. And we're gonna import the IPA, so tap on this icon here, this one here, Appleware. Choose this and it will be now installing the Appleware iOS Executor for Roblox, and it gives you final install. Tap on install. If you go to home screen, and now it's installing, you can see it has been installed. Now tap on it to open. Now you can sign in using your account and use this. So don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel.